We did what you asked.
It's like I said. Fusar knows who you are and knows the price on your head. It's a big problem.
I see.
But if we can silence him, then I can help you escape before anyone has time to get here from America. That way, we all get what we want.
We want to get the boat you promised us.
And you will. But you have found yourself in the middle of a war, my friend. Fusar has called in the Navy from Cuba. There's no way a boat could leave right now.
Hercule! Hercule, s'il vous plaît! Vite! Vite!
Come. Follow me. So now we have a real problem. This must be the boat he called in from Cuba.
That's a goddamn warship.
You kinda have to hand it to this feller.
So I guess great minds think alike.
So what now?
We fight or we war.
Any of you boys feel like running? So what do?
I will go get the cannon ready.
Okay, let's get to it.
Shoot them then! Shoot them! Fellas on the beach!
I see.
There's more coming down the right side of the beach!
Let's prepare the west to the party.
Why the hell are we doing this? This ain't our fight!
Do you want to know his island or not?
He's using...
Just shoot, Micah! Arthur, Bill, Micah, hold them back! Get that cannon into position! I'll get the ammunition!
Look out on the left here, boys! Get me out of here! You said you were getting us a goddamn fuel!
I am. What do you want? We are trapped up here.
They're getting real close! Come on! Someone help me out here! Left guy! He's getting close, you see him?
I'm gonna need your help, my friend.
Sure.
Hurry, Arthur! We need that cannon! Arthur, are you going to help Hercule?
Damn, this is heavy.
Damn! There's a whole lot more of them turning up! This don't look good, fellas! Oh, damn it!
Let's go down and clear him off the beach.
Wait. I'll come too.
And me.
We'll guard this thing!
Grab that shotgun out there.
There's a lot of guns out there.
So what do?
I said we push forward, because if we don't, we're gonna die here and now.
Okay then.
Follow me? This is kind of fun.
बेलुका या कि तपाईँ भुलभुल फल आइदिनु त्यसमा फल निक्लिने जब मोटरको झगडा पीछे को झगडा कोट पर पड़ा था तो कोट पर वो कोट पहन ले जाने किसको ना
Come on, let's move down.
Yes, we need to push them back.
ना बता रहे किस बारे धोते जाओगी
And concentrate on fire.
अलर्ट कर रखी है
The ship just hit their own men.
Very kind of you, Mr. Fusar.
They our boat's coming from both sides.
Damn it!
Dekat-dekat
What do we
buka.
do now? I think I got a plan. You cover the left side. Okay. You go left too, Hercule. Hit them hard on that side.
Okay. There's another boat coming in on the left. Keep going. Just a few men now. Let's get to the beach. This is not over yet.
Look out! Another boat just made land! Ah! There's one more! Take him out!
Another boat right. Flooding out.
I think that's all of them. Good work, gentlemen.
Back to the boat. Come on. Come on. We need to do something about that boat.
Great.
Damn. He's getting closer.
What do we do?
Two of us must go and use the cannon.
You go, Arthur. I'll gladly hold them off this beach a while longer.
You sure?
Just certain, son.
Think that cannon will be enough?
Only one way to find out.
Christ's sake, how many men has Broussard got?
That's the problem. It doesn't matter how many we kill. He will have the money to get more. Watch out! Down! You will have to climb up around the side. This way. Wait, look. That one's going right for Dutch. Go now. I got it. Let's go. Up here, under.
Please, Arthur. Fuck! There's no time for this! We have to get going. Where is he? Come on!
I'll see you in past.
Come on!
Hey, Arthur. You meant gunner. I'll get you some more shot. Aim by the water line. We need to put a serious hole in that boat.
And again, Morgan! They felt that one!
I got ammunition. Reloading.
Yeah! They're hurting! There we go!
Yes, they're going down. Let's get down from here. Come on.
That was quite some shooting, boys.
Thank you.
What now?
Oh, they'll be back. But I found a boat for you. And he should be arriving on the dock any time now.
Great. Micah, go meet with the captain. If he's amenable and discreet, tell him we'll be ready to set sail soon. Bill, come help me collect poor old Javier.
Sure.
Hercule, it was a great pleasure to make your acquaintance.
I thought I was dead for sure.
Hi, boys. We got a real problem. Nice Mr. Fusar don't want us going nowhere. He knows just who we are. If he can keep us here for a few more days, well...
And what about the captain of the ship here?
They got him trussed up like a hog. Guards all over the place. Got us surrounded with gun positions, so when we try to sail out, he's gonna blow holes in us.
This fella is really